So I'm out here in Hudson, Massachusetts, inspecting the Skylight. It's about between 25-30 years old Skylight. Client complained that, he's not my client yet. He's just a prospect, but somebody that we may be able to help, depending on what kind of action taker he is. Roof looks fairly new, less than 10 years old. What they didn't do is replace that skylight, though. When the roof was replaced, they should have replaced that skylight. Because I don't know if most people know or do not know. It seems like the people I meet with, they don't really know that the skylight's best warranty against a leak is 10 years out of Velux. That's what I know. I don't know everything. I try to learn as much as I know about much as I can about my profession. So I might talk a little funny because I had a visit to the dentist earlier and my mouth is half numb. Anyways, leak warranties about 10 years, 10 to 15 years, and the structural warranty about 20 years. But when you replace a roof, you're putting something that you're warrantying for 40 years to lifetime. If your skylights look like this, like any of the other ones, you want to get them replaced when you're replacing your roof. And it's not because I'm trying to sell you skylights, it's just I'm trying to prevent headaches. Less than 10-year-old roof. This roof is now leaking, thankfully just in one spot, but it could be leaking in a lot more spots. Most of these skylights are very old. They are actually all very old, and with that, eventually they will leak. This is the first one that started leaking, and the cost to replace the skylight with my company around where we at in the northeast metro west area of Boston, on an existing roof, you're looking at about anywhere between $3,500 to $5,000. And the reason of that is you got to bring your whole shop here, set up staging, and pretty much operate a surgery around the existing roof system. So you don't have your entire roof open and you just pop the skylight out, dispose it, put the new skylight in like you normally would on a complete roof replacement. This is a completely different situation. So the operation is different. What you have to do to make sure it doesn't leak is different. You got to remove shingles 3 feet all around the skylight. So it's all these shingles up to like right here, I got to remove them, and up to right there I have to remove it, and then up to right here I got to remove it. And then ice and water the new skylight. Once I replace this one, toss this one out, put the new one in. Then I have to flash it with ice and water, flash and put new kit, and then install it, and then put new shingles all around it. So it's a completely different process. So try to, when you're replacing your roof, if you have skylights, try to find out from your contractor, if you don't have any information, as to the age of your skylight. A good experienced roofing contractor will know roughly how old they are and if you should or should not replace them. If you don't trust that one contractor's word, if you want to get a second opinion, get a second opinion. But replace it. If it's anywhere older than 10 years old, you're going to want to replace it because it's going to cost you a whole lot more to replace them down the road as it would if you replace them when you got your roof open. Okay? So, just thank you for listening. Thank you for your time. I just wanted to share that experience with you. And it's a beautiful day here in Hudson, Massachusetts. We got snow on the ground, but the weather is nice. We're catching up a 4-day good weather up ahead of us, and then it gets cold again. It's January 2022. I wish you all a blessed year, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time.